I posted a video this morning just showing some of the trades we've done this week in the stock markets. We've done quite well, been calling the market lower. If you follow me regularly, you'll know that I've been bearish of the stock market, so not a surprise to hear me call for a short sale when stock markets hit resistance. But I've just had some questions as to how I deliver the signals to my subscribers. Good question. I do this all through the Telegram Day Trade Ideas group. This is on January 17th, Tuesday. I start off by posting my analysis. I always start off with gold and silver. Actually, I called a high for gold on Tuesday. Then I posted my analysis about the Forex market. I did talk about the potential for a dollar reversal. The dollar's stabilized, but it hasn't reversed yet. DAX, FTSE, and the US stock markets. Now, you'll see here that I talked about the E-mini S&P hitting 1 year Fibonacci resistance at 4,000, 5 months 61.8% Fibonacci resistance at 40.12, the 1 year downward sloping trend line at 40.20, all in overbought conditions, and even in the short-term charts, we had a 61.8% Fibonacci resistance at 4,008. We hadn't reversed by Tuesday, but in my trade sheet, we were a sell level in the E-mini S&P. There you go. That's a trade sheet that I post in the mornings for everyone to have a quick reference. I call it my cheat sheet. Now, I had some sell signals on Wednesday morning. Bearish engulfing candle, Dow Jones. That was my first indication that we should be getting short stock markets. Now, also on Wednesday, we had a sell signal for the FTSE, so I posted that. The bearish engulfing candle in overbought conditions. We were getting into shorts in the Dow Jones, the S&P, and the FTSE. In fact, I did sell all three. I would imagine most of my subscribers did not. That would have been way too risky, but I sold all three on Wednesday morning. Now, it is always dangerous trying to pick a top in the market, although it's something that I tend to do quite often. I did write here, Dow Jones potential sell signal in severely overbought conditions. There was 1,000 ticks profit in that trade. On Wednesday, I even suggested a short in the DAX because there was a double top. The market did collapse. So I was suggesting shorts in FTSE, DAX, S&P, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, a short position from the 4,000 to 4,020 area in the S&P. Quickly turned into a profit with the bearish engulfing candle, which was confirmation of the sell signal, by which time we were already 40 points in the money, and that was only the beginning of the profits for that trade. I then posted the daily chart, clearly showing how the P had this huge negative candle pulling back below the trend line, the moving averages, and the Fibonacci levels. The Nasdaq had a bearish engulfing candle, so that was also a negative for anyone who wanted to sell the Nasdaq on Wednesday morning. Through the day, I give some comments as the stock markets move and some guidance. As you can see here, you can get a clear idea of how the service works. I post charts to demonstrate what I'm talking about, so I can try and teach the signals that I look for, the candle patterns that I use for confirmation, that kind of thing. And then we were taking profits into Thursday's close, and now we're looking to sell any rallies again, because I do think that this is just the beginning of the move down in the stock markets, as I've explained in my other video today. So on my trade sheet, I've got all sorts of sell levels in the FTSE, the S&P, the Dow Jones, and the Nasdaq. We'll see if I'm right next week. I'll do another video to update you on the state of play.